morning students. Today we are going to start question number 9 and 10 of exercise 8.2. Question number 9 says Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. Arun, one guy who went for a sale. At sale he bought a pair of skates, that is skatings, where the discount was offered of 20%. That means discount percentage they have given us. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, the amount which we pay, that price will be our selling price. That will be the shopkeeper's selling price, right? So SP is given here, and this SP is after deduction of 20%. What we have to do? We have to find the marked price. So marked price we don't know, so we will start with this only. We will suppose it as X. We will write let the marked price of skates be rupees X. What else they have given us? They have given us selling price, SP of skates they have given. So at selling price of skates is rupees 1600. What else they has given us? They have given us 20% discount. So discount percentage is equal to 20. Now if you see carefully how we will solve this. If I am going to buy an article, if a shopkeeper is selling me, so my selling price will be whatever the marked price, right? From that, because this article is given on discount, so definitely I will subtract discount percentage or discount amount, right? Discount amount will be subtracted from MP, then only I will get selling price. So we are supposed to find discount amount. And how we will find discount amount? Since we have taken it as X, we will find discount amount in terms of X, and selling price we already have. That we will equate and will solve. So let us find discount amount first. Discount percentage is 20. Therefore, discount amount is equal to what? 20 percentage, that is 20 divided by 100 of what? Definitely 20 percentage of marked price, and what we have taken marked price as X. 0 will cancel out, 2 1s are and 2 5s are. So X 1s are will get X and divide by 5. This is our discount amount. Now we will subtract discount amount from marked price as I have shown. We will subtract discount amount from marked price, so we will get SP. So I will write therefore selling price is equal to marked price minus discount amount. Marked price we have supposed it as X, selling price we already have, and discount amount we have got X divided by 5. We will solve RHS taking LCM as 5 because it is 1. So we will multiply 5x minus x, that will give me 4x divided by 5. Therefore 1600 is equal to 4x divided by 5. Let me write here 1600 is equal to 4x divided by 5. That implies 5 if I multiply over here and 4 I will get down. So x I will keep as it is, 5 will be going that side and multiply with 1600, and 4 will come down and divide. So I will cut 4 ones are and 4 fours are, that is 400s are, will give me 1600. So finally I will get 4 5s are 20 and the 2 zeros left. So the x is equal to 2000. This is our marked price because we have supposed marked price as x. So finally we will write like this. Therefore marked price of skates, pair of skates, is equal to rupees 2000. Hope you have understood. Now moving to question number 10. Let me first write it down. So question number 10 says, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 18% GST. So I have bought a hair dryer. That means rupees 5400 which I have taken the hair dryer, it includes 18% GST. So if I write here my SP, that is the shopkeeper's SP, will be including some price of the hair dryer, right, plus GST amount that will be included in this. Then only I have to pay the more amount. That means the price which I have paid, it included the price plus the GST amount will be there. So I have to find GST amount, original price I have to find, and selling price they have given us. So what we will do, GST percentage they have given us, so we will find GST amount from it. So whatever we are supposed to find, we will keep it as X. So my assume will be the price before GST. Let the price before GST be rupees X. What else they have given us? GST percentage. So I will write GST percentage is equal to 18%. So definitely if I have to find out, what else they have given us? Selling price of hair dryer is equal to rupees 5400. Now I am supposed to find out GST amount. They have given us percentage, so I will find GST amount. Now GST amount is added on what? Definitely on the original price, that is on X. Then only we will get GST amount will be added on the original price, then only we will get SP. So we will find GST amount. Therefore GST amount is equal to 18%. 18 is percentage means 18 divided by 100 of what? Of means multiplication of what? Original price. Original price is X. If I calculate 2 9s are 2 50s are will give me 9 by 50x. So eventually I will get 9x divided by 50. This is our GST amount. Now since we have to find the original price, that is the price before GST, we will write like this. Selling price is equal to price before GST, that is price which we have assumed as X, plus GST amount. So we don't know price, we have predicted is X. This we have found in terms of X, and selling price we know. We will put selling price 5400, X plus 9x divided by what was it? 50, right? So calculating over here, we will write 5400 is equal to LCM is 50. 50 ones will be 50 plus 50x plus 9x we'll get 59x divided by 50, 5400. Now taking 50 over here, we will get 5400 into 50 is equal to 59x. Therefore x will be 5400 into 50 divided by 59. Now first let me multiply 5400 into 50. I will do it here in rough. 54 into 5 only I will do. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, plus 2 is 27, and the remaining 3 zeros. So it will be 2,70,000 is equal to 2,70,000 divided by 50. 1 0 will be cancelled out. Now the remaining amount is x is equal to 27,000 divided by 5. Let me divide it in rough over here. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 5 4s are 20, will get me 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 0 0, 5 4s are 20, and the remaining 2 0 will be carry forward over here. Sorry, here it is 559 students. I have made one mistake, so let me cancel it this. Therefore x is equal to 2,70,000 divided by 59. Now let me divide 2,70,000 with 59. So 59 4s will give me 9 4s are 36, 3 carried, 5 4s are 20, 23, 236. If I do 59 5s, it will exceed 9 5s are 45, 5 4 carry, 5 5s are 25, plus 4 295, but I want less than 270. So I will take 59 4s is 236. 70 minus 36 will give me 34. Now I will take 0 over here, so the next amount will be 340. Let me take 59 7s first. If it is satisfied, 9 7s are 63, 7 5s are 35, plus 6 is 41, 7 5s are 35, plus 6 is 41. So I will take 59 6s, 9 6s are 54, 4 5 carry, 6 5s are 30, plus 5 35. That will also not satisfy, so I will take 59 5s only. 59 5s is 295. Now 10 minus 5 will be 5, 13 minus 9 will be 4, and 0. This 0 will come down, it will give me 450, and I already have 59 7s. 59 7s is 413. The remaining amount will be 37 divided by, sorry, this 0 will come down, so it will become 370, and I already have 59 6 is 354, so it will be 6 354, so it will left 16 160. So 59 3s, let me calculate. 59 3s, 3 9 3s are 27, 5 3s are 15, and 2 17. So I will get only 59 2s, but I will place point so that I can get 0. So 2s will give me 118. 60 minus 118, that will be giving me 50 minus 8 42. Point is there, so I will have 10, and 59 7s is 413. So I will get 7s 413. Again 20 minus 13 is 7. I will get 10. 59 1s will give me 59. Students, so we have got our value, that is 4,576.271. This is our x value. And what is x? X is our marked price. So before GST. So I will write price before GST is equal to 4576.271 rupees. Now students, one important note. Question number 10. In old book they have given, instead of GST they have given VAT, and instead of 18% they have given only 8%. So many of the students might be complaining me about it, that sir, you have taken the wrong digit, but actually this is the new question in new textbook. So please solve this as I have solved, and also you will solve as in your old textbook. And question number 11 is same as this question, so you are supposed to solve on your own, and please send the answer in the comment section below. When you solve the question number 11, please send your answer, only answer. I don't want solution. If you want to paste solution, you can paste also of question number 11. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.